Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, a link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the US dollar has been going down pretty strong, and if we look at the daily time frame, it definitely did make an engulfing move to the upside on the daily. But most recent structure on the US dollar is right here, and it definitely has not been able to break that structure. I don't really think I'm going to believe that it's going up in any significant way until we get a break of structure. Otherwise, we still have to keep in mind that anything we see to the upside could possibly just be a pullback to the downtrend. Now, today is FOMC day. It's interest rate news for the US dollar, and I will be live streaming for that news event later on this evening on YouTube. So definitely make sure to stop in and check that out for the latest view on all your favorite pairs. But as of right now, I mean, the momentum is definitely down. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. If we do, get some sort of like a double bottom at one of these Fibonacci levels and then a nice push up, a nice golfing break of structure to the upside, then potentially we could try to go long the US dollar. But like I said, we have to remember that the US dollar is definitely still down on all of our higher time frames, which tells me that there's probably a better chance that it's just going to not make that double bottom and it's just going to keep on pushing down. But today's FOMC news definitely could change direction on the higher time frames. So we're definitely going to have to reevaluate it right around that big news event. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.